Everyone in SEO is trying to adapt to how AI is changing and having nonsense agreements about naming it GEO or LLM SEO or AEIO or whatever they're calling it. I am publishing a lot of content on one platform that I think is much better than ChatGPT, Google, or Perplexity. There's so little competition now, you will have outsized results if you act now. So, I'm not talking about traditional blog posts, LinkedIn, or Medium, though these things can help. I'm talking about YouTube. This is specifically the best SEO play for 2026. First of all, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. Did you know that? AI overviews are prioritizing video, and I'll show you that in a second. When you search on Google now, if it's Google AI mode or whatever it is, where they're taking that information from, it is mainly from video. It has much lower competition than written content because, let's face it, it is a little bit harder to sit in front of this camera and start talking. And the most important thing really is the multiple discovery avenues. Like, I get this shown on YouTube, but my video can also appear on the top of Google. I've seen videos at the top of ChatGPT. So you can you can make the content once and then it shows up on several platforms. So to create SEO content for YouTube, we can start here with SEMrush. It is one of the best SEO tools. So I'll just leave a link to that down in the description, but I like to use it for keyword research as well. And we'll talk about content optimization as well. So you can use the keyword magic tool or any of these keyword tools. Just type in your phrase. So I just put in AI coding tools, but you can get a bit more specific like this. Then what I do is find like questions that people are asking for. So, I've got a lot of SEO experience. So I know that this is already, a really good keyword, which AI tool is best for coding. So one thing I'll do is search for volume here, because with YouTube, remember, we don't have to think so much about competition. If you're writing for your own website, then it's really important to find something that you can rank for, right? Not something too big. So I'm going to go here to related keywords, and then I'm going to go check my volume here. So Replit looks very interesting with 165,000 searches. Cursor seems very interesting. Factory as well. So yeah, can be hard because for keyword research, because it obviously means several different things. But let's go into Replit here. And now we can see more questions here. Can you use Replit to build a website? That's already a guaranteed knockout YouTube video. I'm certain that would appear at top of YouTube, right? If you think about it, like these type of queries at the top of Google now, look at the way Google looks now. You can see it says, so I just said how to use bolt.new. I have a video about this and it's not ranking up here, but anyway, I think it's because it's slightly different. But you can see that the top here is 3 videos here. So you can also, the second tab here is also video. Then you have the short videos as well. So that's another whole thing that you should be thinking about as part of your SEO strategy. Okay, so my keyword is Bolt new course, and you can see I am ranking #1 and getting views all the time. So my channel, for example, this channel that you're watching now, it gets at least 500 views every single day, not from like new videos like this. It's just like compounding over time every single day. And I've also started a channel with an AI influencer, right? An AI influencer is not me talking, it's an AI, and it's just targeting SEO keywords. And we're getting like 40, 50 views every single day now, just coming in. People are watching it because they're searching for specific topics. Bottom of funnel topics I usually target to use an AI influencer, but you can go somewhere a bit more top of funnel. If it is you that is creating the content, then you want to rank here #1. That's me ranking #1 for bolt.new course. You can see, and you can also rank with multiple videos. You can see I'm also ranking down here. Let's have a look at the keyword that we found here. So yeah, we did trigger an AI overview, but where is it taking the information from? From YouTube. So people will be like, oh, this is the information. They're going to need more information. So where are they going to go? They're probably going to go here, or they're going to scroll down. Then they've got like Reddit here and then videos. So that's why I'm saying that YouTube is just like the most important thing. So you can also go into SEMrush and create an article. So this will just like help you to create the video. So you can turn on the SEO booster here. And this will give you like an article, obviously, for a website that you can publish. I recommend just publishing both on your website and onto YouTube, because obviously then the more chances that you can get to rank on Google, ChatGPT, all of this. So you can see now that SEMrush wrote the article and it's making the AI SEO improvements. So you can see that we got a good article here. The great thing about this is that it actually helps you to, record your video. So you can follow along with what your article says, publish your article on your website, make your YouTube video, embed your YouTube video into your article, and then you have it done. So if you want to capitalize on this before everyone else catches on, open Semrush. You'll find a link in the description and find 10 question-based keywords in your niche. Check out your YouTube competition. Target keywords that have a good demand. Use SEMrush's AI tools to build your script structure. Record and optimize with your keyword-rich titles and descriptions, and just publish consistently. Just aim for those 2 videos per week. So what platform are you focused on for SEO in 2026? Comment down below. I read all my comments and reply to them all. Thanks very much for watching.